Alright, so as you can see, I am in the game. I am in the metaverse. Now, imagine this with an Oculus. How freaking awesome it would be.
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about Sandbox and how to actually try it and play in the Sandbox. So if you're new to the project, the Sandbox is a new metaverse with NFTs and land, and they're going to connect all this together, and there's going to be all these virtual experiences. Now, all the videos I've watched, nobody talks about actually playing in the Sandbox. So I'm going to get right to it and show you how to do it. First thing you need to do is go to the sandbox.game, create an account. That's pretty straightforward. You go over here, you can sign with your MetaMask, create a username. If you go, you can customize your avatar and all that funny business. Now, to actually try out the Sandbox, you have to have the game creator software. Okay, it's available on Mac and other OSs soon, but right now it is available on Windows to try. So you're going to go ahead and go here, and then you're going to go and you're going to download the game maker software after you created your account. And on a side note, there is going to be an alpha stage that is launching, but it's going to be very exclusive. There's a raffle for landowners and stuff. It'd be very, very hard to get in, but you can still try it out. So let's go ahead and find the game maker, and let's see, where is it at? Right, create Fox editor, game maker. Okay, so I'll leave a link down below, so you go ahead and download this and go ahead and install it, and then we're going to assume you installed it successfully. So let's go ahead and fire up Game Maker. Now, this is important that you can actually see a working product, because all these NFT game companies, most of it is vaporware, but Sandbox has a real working product, which is super cool. So you go ahead and log in with your created account. Alright, so we've installed the game maker software. Now, don't get confused. You're not actually going to create a game. This software is used for creating games that you can publish to your land, but we're doing it simply so that we can jump into some already made sandboxes and test it out. So go ahead and go to Drafts Gallery, okay? And then you're gonna see some experiences that you can try, okay? So these are other people that have made experiences, and you can jump in and try them out. So let's go ahead and try this one. So you just double click it, you hit play, and then as always, if you like somebody's content, go ahead and give it a star. Alpha version disclaimer, some or all things are subject to change. Alright, so as you can see, I am in the game. I am in the metaverse. Now, imagine this with an Oculus. How freaking awesome it would be. And you know what's funny about this is these are the early versions of metaverses. Imagine what this will look like when Call of Duty type graphics come to the metaverse. It should be pretty interesting. So in your options, new objective unlocked. If you hit O, you go to your settings and you can turn down the music a little bit, sound effects, so you can hear better. Okay, hit escape. Now at the time, Sandbox does not support joysticks. All Alright, so I'm going here. Looks like I have an objective to kill these dudes. Alright. Slash them. And I think a lot of these games are going to be very rudimentary at first, but the graphics do look pretty insane. It's very cool. And what's annoying to me is you have to use a keyboard in order to play, and I'm not much of a keyboard gamer. I think it's very fatiguing, but you know, it is what it is. The whole idea of this is just to try some stuff out, right? But you got to give it to people. I mean, these are the first things that people have built, so you can't really, you know, can't be much. So think of it this way. Basically, you get these NFTs and stuff, and then these items can be real world items inside your metaverse. Uh-oh. This is going to be difficult. Looks like a lot of zombies. Oh, man. I must have unlimited. Oh, boy. I'm dead. And then you respawn. So to move around, you hit W, A to go left, D to go right, and I'm not sure which the back is, so let's go to settings, look at the controls. Quick attack, combo attack 4, heavy attack hold, thrust attack, dodge, WSAD. WASD. So you can't, so it's kind of set up in a pyramid. You can't run backwards, but you can climb, which is pretty cool. So I kind of have my 3 fingers on the keyboard now. So at least it didn't make me start over. Oh boy. I don't know if I'm gonna get by this. Try the quad attack. I'm getting murdered up in here. Trying to get these zombies. So in each of these worlds, there's going to be different objectives. Oh yes. Quest default, get the sandbox. So yeah. So you can see the potential here. Basically, different people are going to create different experiences. It could be companies, it could be individuals. The sandbox, you'll be able to rent out your land. You'll be able to stake your sand on your land. You're going to be able to do a whole bunch of really cool things. So I definitely think that this company is headed in the right direction for metaverses, and it's going to be interesting to see what the alpha has in store. And of course there's the Snoop Dogg land sale, I think, or if that might have already happened or not. But anyways, I'm doing some research. I'm thinking of buying some land, which possibly for development or rental, but I caution you, if you're buying land, do your homework, watch some videos, and don't get scammed. People are DMing people in there and all kinds of other things, trying to steal your crypto as always. And then you can go back to the draft gallery and you can try other experiences. So that is how you play in the sandbox. Hope you liked today's video. As always, like and subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.